Welcome to the Navigator Client Portal app login tutorial for iPhone and iPad devices. This portal is the main source for clients to monitor their progress on their personal journey down the trusted financial path securely, anytime, anywhere. Please note, if this is your first time accessing the portal, you must first register through your regular desktop browser. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps for downloading the app and logging in. Let's take a look. On your iPhone or iPad device, tap the blue App Store icon. Inside the app, search for Petersen Hastings Navigator. If presented with multiple choices in the App Store, please identify the Navigator app with our logo. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process or cloud icon to re-download. Once installed, open the app. Sign in via your username and password. The primary email address associated with your account is your username. Please call the office for your password if you have not received it already or if you have forgotten. Congratulations! You have now successfully logged into your client portal. In our next tutorial, we will showcase all of the features and capabilities inside of the app. With the Navigator Client Portal mobile app, securely accessing your custodial statements, daily household and account level balances, financial insights and market commentary, tax reporting, quarterly account statements, and more are only just a few taps away. Access your client portal securely, anytime, anywhere, all on the Navigator mobile app.